Wala akong naririnig na dissatisfaction. Kung tatanungin mo ako, ano bang iniisip ko na maaaring hindi natutuwa ang ilan sa mga kasama, baka dahil mahigpit ako. Mahigpit ako sa insertion sa budget. I doubt it, but sanay ako dito eh. I serve at the pleasure of my colleagues. Since the 8th Congress up to now, the Senate leadership has always been that way. Depende sa mga kasama. So, wala naman. Nakarating sa akin na ganun. Nakakarating na sa akin is kwento ng mga kasama namin na we're solid. There's no problem with the majority. Ganun yung naririnig ko. Marami na ako nababasa sa social media, iba-iba eh. Hindi lang yun. Pinakamaraming fake news sa social media. Yeah, I think so. That's how I was informed by most of them. Kausap naman namin. We have a chat group. We talk to each other every now and then. We discuss some issues and some Senate matters most of the time.